Most people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in a year. We all dream of changing our lives, of becoming more focused, more confident, more successful. But here's the truth: transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens in the small, invisible choices you make every single day. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 simple daily habits that can completely transform your life. These aren't just motivational ideas, they're practical actions that can help you grow, stay focused, and become the best version of yourself. So sit back, take a deep breath, and imagine the best version of you, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to become that person. A few years ago, I met someone, let's call him Arjun. Arjun wasn't lazy or unmotivated, but he felt stuck. Every morning he'd wake up tired, scroll through his phone, rush to work, and come home feeling like another day had just disappeared. He wanted to change his life but didn't know where to start. Until one day, he decided to make just one small change, one simple habit. And that one decision started a chain reaction that transformed his entire life. Let's explore those same 3 habits, the ones that turned Arjun's life around, and the ones that can do the same for you. Habit 1: the morning reset. It all begins in the first hour after you wake up. Most people open their phones, check notifications, and instantly flood their minds with noise. That's how you lose control of your day before it even starts. Arjun changed that. Instead of reaching for his phone, he reached for silence. Every morning, he spent just 10 minutes alone, no phone, no distractions. He sat with his thoughts, sometimes writing them down, sometimes just breathing. At first, it felt strange. But over time, something shifted. He began to notice clarity. He was calmer, more focused, and his mornings no longer felt rushed. You see, this isn't about meditation or some complicated routine. It's about giving yourself space before the world takes your attention. When you control the first hour of your day, you control your mindset for the rest of it. So tomorrow morning, don't open your phone. Sit quietly. Breathe. Set one clear intention for the day, something simple like, today, I'll focus on being calm. Today, I'll finish what I start. Do that for just 7 days, and you'll already start to feel more centered. That's your first daily habit, the morning reset, reclaiming your peace before the world claims your energy. Habit 2: the power hour of growth. A few weeks later, Arjun's mornings were better. He felt clearer, calmer. But he still felt like his life wasn't moving forward. He was learning, but not growing. Working, but not improving. So he asked himself one question: what if I gave just 1 hour a day to my personal growth? And that became his next habit, the power hour. Every single day, he spent 1 hour, just one, learning something that would make him better. Sometimes he read books. Sometimes he watched educational videos. Sometimes he practiced a skill. It didn't matter what it was, what mattered was consistency. 1 hour a day doesn't sound like much, right? But that's 365 hours in a year, the equivalent of over 9 full work weeks focused on improving yourself. Imagine what would happen if you did that for a year. That's how transformation happens, quietly, 1 hour at a time. So ask yourself right now, what's the one area you want to grow in? Health? Confidence? Money? Skills? Dedicate 1 uninterrupted hour to that every day. No multitasking. No distractions. Just pure focus on becoming a little better than yesterday. Because here's the truth, the version of you that you're dreaming of already exists. You just have to train yourself into becoming that person. That's the second daily habit, the power hour of growth, 1 hour a day to build the future you deserve. Habit 3, the nightly reflection. Now this one is the most powerful, and the most ignored. Because growth doesn't only happen in the morning or during learning. It happens when you look back and reflect. Every night before bed, Arjun asked himself 3 simple questions. What went well today? What did I learn today? What will I improve tomorrow? It took him less than 5 minutes, but it changed his mindset forever. When you end your day with reflection, your brain learns from experience instead of repeating mistakes. You go to bed with clarity instead of anxiety. And over time, you begin to see patterns: what energizes you, what drains you, and what truly matters. It's not about perfection. Some days, Arjun wrote, I wasted too much time. But the next day, he fixed it, because awareness creates change. Try it tonight. Before you sleep, take your phone or a notebook and write those 3 answers. No judgment. No pressure. Just honesty. You'll be surprised how much you'll learn about yourself. That's your 3rd habit, the nightly reflection, the simple act of checking in with yourself before the world resets. Weeks turned into months. Arjun kept going: 10 minutes of silence in the morning, 1 hour of learning in the day, and 5 minutes of reflection at night. And something incredible happened. He didn't just change, he transformed. He started waking up earlier, thinking clearer, speaking with confidence, and acting with purpose. Not because of luck, but because of daily discipline. The truth is, success isn't built in a day. It's built daily. And you don't have to do something massive. You just have to start small, and stay consistent. Because one day, those small habits will become your identity. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, just 30, practice these 3 habits. Habit 1, the morning reset. Habit 2, the power hour of growth. Habit 3, the nightly reflection. Don't skip. Don't rush. Just show up. And watch how your focus sharpens. How your confidence grows. How your life begins to rise, one day, one habit at a time. You don't need to change your whole life overnight. You just need to take the first small step today. Because big change always begins small. And small habits create massive results. This is NexRise Motivation, reminding you to rise a little higher every single day.